Hi, my name's Amy Barrett Daffin, and I just wanted to give you a quick peek into Erica Kaprow's Folk Art Garden Appliqué Sampler. So what I love about this book is that she is showing you how to make wool blocks using embroidery. And you know, at the end of a day of working on the computer all day, there is nothing nicer than sitting down and doing some handwork. And wool appliqué, it's great because not only is it, I think it's easier than traditional appliqué with cotton, but it also just feels so nice in your hands and it's so relaxing, and the colors are just bright and chirpy and it's just fun to do. So inside the book, she gives you all the different blocks, and then she tells you how to do it, and she gives you some great tips as to how to create the shapes and how to press the paper on so you can cut it out, and then how to whip stitch down onto your piece of wool so that it'll stay on. And a lot of people use whip stitching. I used safety pins, it worked great. And then she gives you the basic stitches that you need. And so you can see there's so many cute blocks in here. And I picked the turtle to do. And so I want to show you, I took her idea and I took a 12-inch square. I cut out my shapes, and I decided that instead of going every other, which looked a little more like a bullseye to me, I decided to go with different values and shades of green. And I did do the blanket stitch all the way around, and I made it smaller for the head and tail, and then I did some little French knots here. But then I also added some additional design elements, and I really like the purple with it because it really makes it pop. It makes the green just pop up off the page, and I added a little diamond in there too. So if you haven't tried wool embroidery, it's easy, it's fun, and it's portable. So check it out.